can use Claude to actually bootstrap your 7-8 figure Shopify brand and speak to your data and focus what actually moves the needle for your business. Now, taking a step back, we know that teams often work in silos. For example, you'll have your paid team, your SEO team, email team, conversion rate optimization team. And then if each one of them departments wants to speak together, they could be separate agencies. So they send in emails, you might wait 7 days to get a response to each other. But then you want to ask a question and you could be waiting 7 to 14 days. Now, how does that lead time work when you're trying to build a business, you're trying to build revenue? And this is where Claude Cowork actually fixes that gap and actually fills the hole to help you move the needle. So what I've been doing with Shopify brands is I built a marketing engine in the background. Now, this is not no gimmick hack where I fired a team. It's basically how I can talk to data. Now, I link that in with Shopify. I link that in with Google Ads. I link that in with Meta. I link that in with Klaviyo through APIs. And then I can understand exactly what's moving the needle. I can query the data. I can query the revenue. I can understand loopholes. Yesterday, I found a big loophole in a paid ad campaign that was losing probably over 10K forecasted revenue over the next 7 days. Now, this is just an example of big holes, and it's a big example of how Claude Cowork can fit into your Shopify brand. So if you're not using it, you're waiting on emails to ask for revenue updates, for changes, when you can just fire in a single prompt and you get an instant answer how your data is performing, how each channel is performing, and if a channel is working. As we know, with an e-commerce store, you could be distributing across so many different channels, and you'll probably find 60-70% of them channels are not actually driving much revenue to your business. However, you'll have a salesperson on the other end that's selling you the rainbows and the gold about how wonderful it is and X case studies. Well, actually, you can come in and query that data. So what I'm saying is get Claude installed, get it hooked up to all your data and start asking questions about what's working for your business, because this is what's working for Shopify stores now, and it's what I'm doing with clients. If you want, I can create another video and do the exact rundown of how I've done it. Again, this is no hacks, this is no gimmicks, it's just trying to interpret your data.